Last week I did a video on a roof replacement, an AMD panel on a 69 Chevelle. This week I'm going to be doing a 66 Chevelle. Okay, I'm going to try and go step by step since I really didn't find much on YouTube on how to do it, and the other one went pretty smooth, and I'm going to go through it. So basically you cut the old panel off and clean up all the areas that are going to be welded. I started by cutting about an inch up from the drip rails and around, and then worked with my air chisel until the entire roof was removed and everything was cleaned. Cleaned everything up with a wire wheel, and it is now ready to accept the new roof. Okay, on the floor I have my new roof panel. I glued in the insulation, sound deadener, and for heat, and that's all set to go. So what I had to do is, along the drip rails, trim a very small amount, and it fit really nicely up in there. I did quarters on this car also, so I won't run into problems welding in the sail area where you could run into lead if you're dealing with the original quarters. What I did with the other one, I'm going to do with this, is I took the universal bonding adhesive and I used that all along the drip rail. So I'm going to apply that inside on the roof, just inside the drip rail before the roof goes on. I'm going to pre-drill my roof panel flanges, front and rear, so I could put plug welds into the top of the windshield and the top of the rear window area. So that's that. I'm going to shut the camera. I'm going to prep the roof, and the next step, I'll be throwing it on and putting the welds in. Okay, so this is the second part of the roof install on a 66 Chevelle. It's all prepped up, insulation's on the top, holes are pre-drilled. I have the panel adhesive up in both rails. It's a one-man job. It would be nice with two, but no one's around right now. Been trimmed, and it's thick right there. So I have a screwdriver. I trimmed the rails close, so now it's just a matter of prying them and letting them pop in. Sides close. And there we go. So now, just gonna pop it in. Okay, so this side's good. Okay, so this side's in, some more clamps. The better, I want that oil adhesive to really grab. That's it. So this panel's all set. Just going to throw a couple of clamps on, and then I'm going to put my welds here and do my plug welds, and it'll be all set.